Freedom Plaza, it's a continuous care retirement center. Starts out independent living down to assisted living, memory care. All the residents know the staff. The sense of community, you can't fake that.
Hey Serena, how are you? You made it all the way back already, huh?
All the way.
As a plant director, you have to care. That has to be your goal.
Keep smiling.
I shall.
What time does your day start?
Every day's different, but there's no off the clock.
The core team, 12 to 15 years, everyone's, worked together. Jerry, how long you been here?
15 or so years.
Art?
30.
Wow.
Say it louder.
30.
30.
30.
Carlos?
I'm about 6 months shy of 22 years.
If you have a team that you can depend on, then you can accomplish quite a bit. 140 acres, 13 buildings, 500 apartments, miles and miles of plumbing pipe, fittings, valves, air conditioners. There's so much going on. Let me go ahead and check into TELS, check the work order for this apartment. Hey Don, how are you?
Welcome in.
Check the water temperature. Machinery, the equipment is constantly going.
For maintenance, tomorrow the awning is going to get installed. Building 10 landscaping should be wrapped up.
Power outages go happen. Hurricanes. Alligators. The job description is fixing, solution-minded, but we're here to care for, our seniors and our residents. So if that means listening, then that's what we do. We sit there and we listen. Whatever it is that they ask for, it's an attitude that they deserve it. It's caring about that individual and making this environment as comfortable for them.
I've lived here 5 years. The staff is wonderful, and Siby is great. And he's nice to see all the time. You don't have to worry about anything.
Some people say, don't call me Mr., call me Janice, or call me Bob, or call me, they want to be called by the first name.
That's a very rewarding feeling, that everybody knows you and they actually care about you.
Yeah.
It's the people. It's the residents. But it's like having a family. That's why we work here.
Anybody can go and fix something and you walk out and you leave the room. But having that connection, it goes a long way. You view them as your parents or grandparents. Sorry. And it just makes you feel loved, I guess. It goes back to caring. If everybody cares for that one same common goal, then there's nothing you can't do.